Hey, stop.
Hey, you're just being detained, bro. Hey, don't fucking reach. Hey, don't fucking reach. Hey, don't fucking reach for anything. Hey, drop it! Drop that shit!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! We're not going to kill you, buddy. Drop the knife!
One at gunpoint.
Hold there. He has a knife.
Drop the knife! No. We're going to kill you, man. Put the knife down. We'll talk.
Dan, stay right here. Dan, stay right here.
Bro.
Just kill me.
Put it down.
Drop it right now. Turn around. Walk back towards us.
Come on, man. Be cool.
No, you're not. Just drop it.
Look, man. We're just trying to talk, okay? Nobody needs to get hurt. You need to have a conversation. That's it. But you got to drop the knife for us, bro. Hey, man. Just be cool. Whatever you got going on, we're just talking out, all right?
We don't want to hurt you, boss.
We don't want to hurt you, man. We're not going to kill you, bro. Drop the...
Hey, who has the 40 check line? Hey, nice and slow, nice and easy.
Yep.
Stay online.
Yep.
Hey, man, be cool, all right?
Hey,
we're not looking to hurt you.
I'm sorry.
We're not looking to do anything like that, all right?
I told y'all were going to kill me. Didn't I say that?
We don't want to kill you, dude.
Didn't I say y'all were going to kill me?
We're not looking to do...
Hey, back up.
Watch out.
Hey, we're good.
Hey, come on, bro.
Sorry. Got it.
Hey, I'm going to grab taser.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Man.
Hey, he's running. Hey, let's get our shot.
Cool, man. Be cool.
We're on that entrance to the cemetery.
Hey, there's people over there.
Be advised, we got some people out here in the cemetery. Be cool, man.
We're not going to shoot, dude.
No, don't go towards them. Do not go towards them.
Don't go towards them.
Do not run towards them.
Hey, y'all go away! Hey, we're good right here. Stay on, slow down.
Yep.
Hey, come on. Hey, don't go towards them. Do not go towards them.
Watch the cross.
Do not go towards them, bro. Do not go.
Drop the knife!
You're okay.
Hey, you're good. Just drop the knife, brother.
Did I know what it was? I told you I was going to kill me. Or was I right? Wasn't I right? You're going to kill
Cool,
me.
man. We're just trying to talk. That's it.
No, you don't want to talk. You want to arrest me over that, man.
No, we don't. Put the knife down and we can talk. I promise you we'll just talk. Hey, look, we put the knife down, we put the guns down, and we just have a conversation, all right?
Stop pressing forward.
Yep. Hey, I'm coming over.
Yeah. Hey, look. Hey, we stop walking forward. Just come talk to us.
No.
Hey, just do me a favor, drop the knife.
You have the right to lie, right?
I'm not lying to you, bro. You put the knife down, we'll have a cordial, civilized, normal conversation, bro to bro, all right? We'll just have a conversation, and we'll talk about what you got going on. We'll help you fix your problems, all right?
How about we go to that man and see where it all starts?
We can do
All
that.
right, we can do that.
That's okay with me, bro. We can do that. But you gotta drop that knife for us. We don't want to hurt you, bro. You don't want to hurt us, right? Just be cool, man. Don't do it.
Hey, don't do it.
Don't do it, man.
Yeah, keep the knife.
We're trying to help you. We
He's
are.
holding the knife up to his left below him right now. Come on,
He's
man.
cutting himself. He's cutting
Go
himself.
ahead and roll HMG to our location.
Hey, I'm going to go non-lethal.
Yeah.
That's fine. Come on, no, don't rush us. Don't rush us with that knife, man.
Come back a little bit.
Yeah.
Right here is good.
Very good.
You have for custody or you still need
Let us help you.
That's how I know you're not trying
Hey,
to help.
everybody.
We are trying to help, man.
Swing right a little bit. Swing right.
Whoa.
So the minivan's out of place. Swing right.
Whoa. Don't do that, man. Don't do that, man.
Around.
Hey, man, we have to protect ourselves, okay?
Hey, Andy, swing right a little bit.
We're not looking to kill you, bro.
Swing right. The van's out of place.
Check testing.
3.
Don't do it, bro.
Don't do it, man.
Don't do it.
You man. Please.
Don't do it, bro, please.
Take your time.
There.
A little bit.
We just want to have a conversation, bro.
20 show free. Show me a ride over there.
Hey, man, you got family? You got friends? Hey, we can be your friends.
Drop the knife, dog.
Just drop the knife and we can be friends, bro. We can talk. We're not looking to shoot you, bro. Hey, this whole time, we haven't shot at you at all, okay? We're not looking to hurt you. We just want to talk.
This isn't the answer.
The handcuffs out. I know.
The handcuffs are not going to come out, bro, but you got to drop that knife.
I know what y'all.
Hey, let's back up a little bit. Just give him some room. Hey, we're gonna give you some room, man. Hey, drop the knife.
Do this.
Is the van in your way? Or
And
you
then
I'm good. I
where
got
it
it.
is.
Hey, check it. Hey, I don't see anybody behind us. So
Yeah.
yeah. Hey, just relax. What's your name, man?
You know what? Shoot.
No, don't do it.
Hey, don't do it, man.
Don't do it. Don't do it, bro.
Please, aim for the head.
We're not looking to do
Dude,
that.
hey, we don't want to hurt you, dude.
Quick, all right?
Hey, drop the knife. We don't want to hurt you.
Make it quick, all right?
Yep.
Y'all gonna make it quick?
Hey, we got time.
We're not looking to do that.
We got time, guys.
We just want to talk.
Quick for me. Shoot me in the head.
Hey, man, it's all right. What's your name, bro? What's your name, bro?
Shoot me in the head. I have nothing to live for.
What's your name, bro?
Please.
Hey, it's okay, man.
That man started shit with me.
Okay, we'll talk to him too.
Minivan my way. Okay, so I'll shoot. I got you.
Yeah.
Hey, go right.
Yeah, moving right.
Go right. There you go.
Y'all gonna arrest me for this?
We're not.
Dude,
We're not.
we just want to talk to you, bro.
We're not. Hey, man, how about
All right, bet. Put it away. It's dry.
Okay.
just put it on the ground? Put it on the ground.
You throw it away for us, please?
Just throw it on the grave.
Throw it away. Hey, just throw it away. Still have that knife on. We're not going to move.
Static male short, black hair, long hair, blue shirt, gray shorts.
Hey, just
Cemetery.
throw it to the side.
Hey, we just need you to drop the knife.
Show me the northwest corner of Dairy Ashford and
Come on.
Hey,
Throw it away for us, dog. We just want to help you.
we'll talk to you when you drop the
Come on,
knife.
man. Be cool.
Please shoot me.
Be cool. We're
We'll
not
talk.
looking to do
Hey,
that.
drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop it, bro.
Shoot me.
Drop it, bro.
Shoot me in the fucking head. Please.
Drop it, bro.
We don't want to do that, man.
Shoot me, please.
No.
Chill.
Just drop the knife, man. Watch the civilian.
Relax. Hey, get in the van and go.
Kill me. Y'all gonna
Hey, get in that
kill me.
switch. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, just relax.
Oh, all right, bet.
No.
Stop.
No.
Get out of the way.
No.
Hang on, we're good. Hey, you got one person behind us still.
If you shoot that taser, it's on. If you shoot that taser, it's fucking
You hear
on.
that? Hey, just chill. Relax. Throw it away.
See how good your aim is.
Don't do it.
See how good your aim is.
We're not looking to do that, bro. Just come talk to us.
Hey, there's a family behind us.
Hey, we have to push up. We have to push up. They got a family back there.
Hey, swing wide left.
Hey, don't let him. Hey, get out the way! Get out the way! Get out the way! Move!
The area. Get away.
Go. Go.
Hey, move left. Hey, just be careful. He's gonna charge at you and stop.
Hey, hey, listen to me, bro.
Bro, chill.
Hey,
Chill.
relax.
Chill. Hey, stop. Chill. chill.
On the ground.
Drop the knife.
We don't want to shoot you. On the ground. We don't want to shoot you. On the ground.
See.
Fire.
Hold it. Hey, slow it down.
Knife's still in play. We're still doing verbal commands.
Hey, I got lethal. You guys check yourself. I got lethal.
Yep.
Random medical aid. Medical aid.
Hey, get gloves.
I got the knife.
Hold that hand.
You got gloves.
I got cuffs.
Where he's hit.
I'm getting armed. Hey, time to get on arm.
Cuffs are on.
Hey, does anybody you have a med kit?
Hey, do me a favor. Hey, down by the shop.
Listen. Hey, quick. Don't put it on my shop. Bring him to the front right here to the medical.
Hey, I'm putting the knife in your shop.
Hey, let's get him in the shop.
Everyone's still alive. He's still breathing and conscious. He got multiple gunshot wounds.
I'll give you every dollar in Because he can come through this street right here and open.
Hey, let's get him in the shop. Hold on, one more shot first.
Hey, I'm coming up right for that LJ.
Hey, move left. Hey, just be careful. He's gonna charge at you and stop.
Bro, chill.
Hey,
Chill.
relax.
Chill.
Hey, stop.
Chill.
On the ground.
Drop the knife. Chill.
On the ground.
Chill.
On the ground.
Ceasefire.
Hold it. Hey, shots fired. Knife's still in play. We're still doing verbal commands.
Hey, I got lethal. You guys check yourself. I got lethal.
Medical aid.
Get gloves. I got the knife.
Get the knife. I got cuffs. Get that pad down.
I'm getting armed. Hey, time to get on arm.
Cuffs are on.
Hey, does anybody
Yeah.
the shop's ready? Have a med kit? Hey, does anybody
Hey, down by the shop.
listen.
Move themselves out the way so
We're gonna
HFC
put him
can
on my
come
shop. We're gonna bring him to the front right here so the medical can get.
Hey, I'm putting the knife in your shop.
Hey, let's get him.
Let him know he's still alive. He's still breathing and conscious. He's got multiple gunshot wounds.
Hey, watch goes fire. Hey, primo, bájala. No, tranquilo, bájala. No, tranquilo. Bájala, primo. Wait, bájala, primo. Hey, just throw it down, bro. Throw it down. Hey, mírame. Hey, no, look, hey, listen to me, bro.
Bro, chill.
Hey, get the 40 out. Hey, chill. Chill the fuck out. Drop it. Drop. Cease fire.
Hold it.
Cease fire.
Hey, slow it down.
Fuck.
We're still doing verbal commands.
Hey.
I got lethal. You guys check yourself.
Lethal, hey. Random medical aid.
Get gloves.
Hey, let me. Who got hands? Pull it down. Fuck, dude. Where he's hit?
In the arm.
Hey, fuck, dude. Where's medical at?
I'm getting armed. Hey, time to get on arm.
Cuffs are on.